Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how I boil my corned beef before I actually make it. A lot of persons would say, why would you boil your corned beef? But if you ever buy your corned beef and when you open it, you realize that there's a lot of fat or some oil stuck to the corned beef. This is how you remove it, because you don't want to be adding oil and then more oil. So what I normally do, I boil my corned beef, I'll place it in a pot of boiling water for about 5 minutes. Then when I'm going to remove it and open it, I make sure that I place the corned beef away from my body and make sure that it is not touching me, because I don't want that to burn me. Then when you open it, you realize that there is no more fat. Then I saute it with my onion, garlic, sweet pepper, regular pepper and stuff. You see how pretty it is? Oh my god, there's a big difference. Then I add my black pepper, my ketchup, and that's it.